Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we'll be doing another unboxing video. Today I'm doing the original base box from Boxycharm. I did already pop this open to see what products were in it so that I can try them on with you today. We'll go through them. It's not a terrible box. I'll give you that as a little bit of a spoiler alert. It's not a terrible box. It's not my favorite, but it's not a terrible box. So first and foremost, there is no card in my box this month. I do have an ad, however, for Makeup Eraser, but I have no card that says what is supposed to be in my box. So there's that. But we're going to go ahead and go through the 5 items that I did receive, whether they're what I was supposed to get or not, I don't know. If you don't know what I'm referring to, go back and look at my Boxycharm Premium because I got it in an item that I was not supposed to get and I did not get one of the items that I was supposed to get. Also, since I filmed my Boxycharm Premium box unboxing, I did find out that April 13th was the day that you could go and make a selection. I was on the Boxycharm website at 9 a.m. You could not make a selection. I was on it at 10 a.m. You could not make a selection. I was on it at 11 a.m. You could not make a selection. I took my lunch. I got on a conference call, got off my conference call. It was 1 o'clock. I checked. You could make a selection, but the only makeup product that you could select was already sold out. Not happy with Boxycharm. Not happy with Boxycharm. I did also go in and redo my survey, and I did find out that my survey says that I want heavy makeup, and that I'm not interested in a lot of skincare. So there's that. Again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and take a look at my Boxycharm Premium video, which posted 2 days ago. So we're going to go ahead and get into this box. This box is not terrible. All right, let's go ahead and get in. I'm going to pull this item out first, which I'm not going to be putting on my face. This is the Benefit Professional. This is the original pore filling primer from Benefit. I do like this primer. I actually have a full size. I'm not going to open this one, but this is what it looks like. I do have a full size of this already open actually in my collection. So this one may go to you guys. I'm not sure. I'm going to check my other one and see if it's, maybe I decluttered it. I got to double check and see if I decluttered it. If not, then I will check to make sure that it's still good, see if there's an expiration date on it or whatever. And if it's still good, then I will keep mine and I will provide this one to you guys in a giveaway. If it is not good, then I'll keep this for myself because I do really enjoy this primer. So, Professional primer. My understanding is that everybody got, or several people got a Professional. Some people got the original, some people got the hydrating, and I think some people got the pearl. I actually have this one and I have the pearl one. I do not have the hydrating one. All right, next up is these cute little things right here. There is a set of eye brushes from the brand Lavish. And these are super cute. So they're very brightly colored. I'm gonna pull them out maybe. For some reason, there's a brush that's stuck. Come on, brush. You can do it. Come on out. Now, I don't like to use brushes until I've washed them, so I will not be using them today. I did get an eyeshadow palette in my box, but I'm not using them today. But they're super bright colored, very, very pretty. It's a nice little eye set. And then the green one on the end is actually double-sided with a spoolie. So this is an eyebrow brush. This is a fine liner brush. And then we've got a eye shading brush. And then this is a pencil brush, yep. And then this is a blending brush. So they are cute. They're nice and soft. I will wash them and give them a try, and hopefully they will work out really, really nicely. So again, those are from the brand Lavish. I can't really tell you anything about the products because I don't have the card. So the card usually does say what the products are valued at, and it usually says a little description of the product as well, but no card this month. I double checked like underneath. Yeah, no card this month. So that's fine. But a cute little brush set nonetheless. I will wash these and I will give them a usage in the future. All right, the next item here is this right here. This is from Iconic London. It is an illuminator. It's in the shade Original. So I'm going to go ahead and just swatch this, meaning I'm going to put a drop on my hand and blend it in. It's very, very pretty. It's very like pearlescent, but that is very, very pretty. That one drop covered my entire hand, and you can tell that it's not too bad. It looks like it might be a little bit deep in the bottle, but once it's blended in, I think it actually looks very, very pretty. So that is something that I will definitely try. I'm thinking that I might try that out as like a body illuminator. Does that make sense? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, but that's how I would use it, I suppose. Or just putting it, like mixing it in with my foundation or something like that would probably look really, really nice. So I could definitely mix that in with something that might be a little bit too pale to maybe deepen it up just a hair. I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. I just dropped it, but again, that's not a bad little thing to get. The next thing in here that I am not going to be putting on my face today, but stay tuned for my beauty box look that I do at the end of the month with all of my beauty box products, is this eyeshadow, or I'm sorry, eyelashes from Baddington Lashes. These are in the design Harlow. I did receive another pair of Baddington lashes before from Boxycharm, and they were a different design. I actually pulled them off my shelf back here behind me just to be sure that they were a different design, and they are. So these ones are Harlow. This one actually came with a glue as well. The other set that I have behind me are a different design, and it actually didn't come with the glue. So that's kind of cute. I will give those a try when I do my Get Ready With Me using my beauty box products. Now, the last item in here that I'm probably the most excited about in the box is this right here from Zoeva. It is the Taupe, Taupe, E-N Taupe eyeshadow palette. I have one Zoeva palette. I'm glad I didn't get that one in the box. It's the Caramel Melange, I think. I picked it up the end of last year. It was on sale at Ulta, and I picked it up. I did not get this one, so let's see what this one looks like. Maybe. It doesn't want to come out of the packaging. Come on. Can my brush get you out? There you go. Okay. Let's see what this one looks like. All right. So these are definitely more taupey shades. Imagine that. But we're going to go ahead and put this on my eyes today. I do have an eye primer on. Actually, I have my Painterly Paint Pot already on. But I'm going to go ahead and use this to do an eye look today. It is 8:30 at night, so I might use some of these shades that I wouldn't normally use. But these are definitely shades, like, other than like the three over here, they're super neutral and definitely something that you could wear just on like a no makeup day or an easy look for, you know, work or something like that. So recapping really quickly before I go ahead and put my eyeshadow on, in case you're not interested in the try on. I do have the Benefit Professional, the 5-piece brush set from Lavish, the Iconic London Illuminator, and then the Baddington Lashes in Harlow, and then the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be honest with you. I like this box better than my premium box. My premium box is $35 a month. This one is $25 a month. And I think that this base box was better than my premium box this month. My understanding is some people got some really awesome premium boxes. I've been watching some videos. There are people who got 6 pieces of makeup. There are people who got eyeshadow palettes and Tasha Denona blush kits. I mean, like lip glosses. I mean, just 6 pieces of makeup, and I was not happy with mine. All right, I'm gonna go in with this brush right here and use this shade here, Stitch by Stitch. If you're not sticking around for my try-on style, thank you for watching. If you like this video, a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and go ahead and leave me a comment down below. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Stitch by Stitch just to cover up my eyeshadow primer and get us going with a smooth base. All right, next up, we're going to use, I'm going to go into this Hour by Hour. No, you know what? I'm going to go into Exquisite. I'm going to go into the purple. I'm going to use a smaller brush. This is the tapered blending brush from, this is Sonia Kashuk. Pick this up at Target. But I'm going to go into that Exquisite shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease. All right, I'm going to go into this shade here, which is called Old Master. I'm going to go in with this Precision Shader brush from Lexi. I'm going to just build that up on the brush and see how that goes all over the lid. It does have some pretty decently sized pieces of glitter, and I'm using this to see if the glitter falls out on my face or if it stays on my lid. All right, I don't see the glitter anywhere once it's on my lid, so I'm not exactly sure where it went. I don't know if it seems to be sticking in my eyelashes, and it actually is here along my under eye. So the glitter definitely will not stay, at least on my eyes, without a glitter glue that I didn't put on. Does not stay in the eyeshadow. So now it's just kind of like a deep purple shade that is on my lash or on my lids. I don't see any glitter still staying on my lids. And just in case you're not seeing it, it's that shade right there. Hopefully that will focus enough that you can see that there is definitely glitter in that shade, but it does not stay in the shadow. Looks like a lot of it's actually still on the palette. All right, I'm going to go into this shade called Outline. I'm just going to put that on my finger, and I'm going to just tap that over top of the Old Master shade. All right, I think what I'm going to do is, I don't have any deeper shades. I normally will deepen up the outer V. I think what I'm going to do is just use this different brush. This is the pointed crease brush. Go into Exquisite again, and just try to like make that deeper using the smaller brush than the tapered blending brush. Using this pointed crease, maybe I'll be able to deepen it up, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line as well. All right, I'm going to use this Spun Pearl shade. I'm just going to dip my pinky into it and put that on my inner corner of my eyes. Okay. And I think that's all I'm going to do. So I didn't use every shade. I did not use shears and voiles. I don't know what that means. Shears and voiles or shears and voites. I don't know. Handmade, Gallery, and Hour by Hour. Honestly, those 4 shades are something that I would use on a normal, regular basis. I tried to go with the darker shades that I wouldn't typically use on a regular basis. I think it turned out just fine. I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on and some lipstick on, and I will be right back. All right, so that is my final look for today using the Zoeva and Taupe palette. Again, I think that this was nice. I like my Caramel Melange one better. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's the name of it. I like that one better just because I like the shades better in that one. This one I think is pretty. It's definitely pretty purples, and then like I said, the more neutral, lighter shades are definitely something that I would use on a regular basis. So these are shades that I would not use day in and day out. So I really like the Zoeva palettes. Probably my favorite thing is the palette, then the brushes, and then the Professional is always really, really nice. The iconic London Illuminator, and the lashes, you know, I could give or take those. So that is it for my Boxycharm original unboxing. This is $25 a month. I do think that this box was better than my premium this month. I think, though, some people got some really awesome premium boxes this month. I just didn't. So I would definitely say that the base box is still worth the $25. I do pay for this annually, so you get a little bit of a discount if you pay for it annually. I think it's 10% discount if you pay for it annually. But that is it for my Boxycharm base box this month, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button and the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. One last thing, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminies.com. The link is in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I wasn't as sour in this video as I was in my premium box. And I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.